been out here in a while to do any trimming or anything. These random weeds out here. But sometimes it's nice to keep them in there to keep nitrogen and stuff in check. Nice stinkers there. Some puntias. Drain just burnt up. All kinds of stuff. Stuff that shouldn't be out here right now. Look at this poor thing, man. That's my LaCroix. That's a weed too. My hydrangea died. That's my dragon fruit. All the way back in there. Some puntias. Lovely crassulas. That's a coffee plant. Arabica. A real Arabica coffee. I got puntias down there. Dracaenas. Ah, I don't want to get the Glaucids in my hand. Shit. Almost did. Those things are cool. Some puntias. Jumping cholla. Lepidoptera socialis. Some of my succulents have died. These are, I grew this from plant, or seed, avocado, and punchas. It's got cactus rust really bad. I got this piece from a store that I was doing some work at. That's Kalanchoe. And black grasshoppers ate my kale up. Mammillaria. Got some Euphorbia trichali. Some more Euphorbia. Kalanchoes. Crassula, not ovata. I should all remember right here in a minute. Mammillarias. This is a papaya. This is a Kalanchoe tubal 4. Digramentia, something like that, I can't remember. Some cannabis, ain't looking very good. Puntias, some lovely rosemary. That's a bamboo that I got from out in Mobile. I came out here though to get this beauty right here because I left it out in the sun. I forgot it was out here. But so this is the moss that I have. The moss I was telling you to go find. There. All that down there. So this whole thing this is store-bought shit here. Same thing though. There's some nice peat down there. Some nice Senecio. Whole porch full of plants. My Ilex holly. Bonsai. Interesting as goddamn. These are all pineapple. There's I think 12 in there. That's a Asperaceae. This was a orchid, wild orchids from Mississippi, but fucking dogs got into it last night, so much for that. Here's that Digramontia. Ooh, that razor's hurt. But you can see they propagate off their leaf tips. Every one of those little things are new plants. Very invasive. Philodendron. Most of the plants I got all for free. This is my little throw out bucket. It's got ginger growing in it. And fucking sweet potatoes just growing random all over the place. This is usually my nice tulip basket, but it's done for now. Damn. Wild pine tree. This is my shit, I forgot the names. Dracaenas. These are the flowers. Not an orchid. I thought it was an orchid. Here's some more of that moss I was telling you to go get. Look how pretty that is. Yeah. It's all I got from the wild. These are native to Mississippi, pitcher plants. Yes. Some, oh, got a random pepper going on there. My Blue Point Juniper bonsai. Lovely wild fern I got. This lovely beast here, it can lose all but 10% of its water. I'm sure you recognize this from the oak trees. They can lose all but 10% of their water. Plants, all other plants can only lose up to 10%. These can lose all but 10% and stay that way for 100 years. It was hanging on the end of that house right there. I ripped it off. Anyway, so I forget the names of everything. Go talk about it. Some philodendron xanadu. Some ginger. Look at this cocksucker. Get off my plant. Get. Fuck off my plant. Hate these damn things, man. Sorry. This is the ginger. These are, I can't remember, I got this from some old lady. Zameliculus, the black Zama ZZ plant. Portulacas, I got some jades. I got some philodendron. What? This is rabbit's foot fern, forgot the name of that. Oh my god. Epiphyllum in here. Some philodendrons. Wallachia. Tomentosa. Chocolate panda. There's some mammillaria. This is Brasilia sapuntia. Brasiliensis. This is a wisteria root that I cut off the side of a tree. You see how big it is in my tank here. Everybody said it wouldn't grow roots, but it looks like it's got some roots on it to me. Here's some more epiphyllums. Dripping from my dad's AC. Look at this, is a monstera leaf. Hasn't even opened yet. Some arrowheads. See those nice roots coming off of it. A pineapple. This is the, oh shit, I can't remember its name. It's a monstera, but it's the really expensive one. Addisoni or something like that. Look at that. See how they're climbing? I wonder if they're attached. They are attached, look. Ah, like I was telling you. It's badass. It's attached to a little Debbie cart. This is Zamia furfuraceae. It's a prehistoric plant. Cardboard palm, in other words. Yeah. It's my baby there. Mulberry. Taking a bath. Had been the coffee and I look bad. Oh, this is my workstation when it's, oh, not all trashed. It's trashed right now. I have a bird that likes to live in there and lay its eggs, so I never clean it out. Anyway, let's go over here. I have some yellow brush ginger here. It had a bad bacterial infection, so all I got left is this. I've been slowly pulling these out, trying to get rid of it. Still has some roots, that's just not well, so we just pull it all out. And most of my soil, you can see, is all lava, pumice, turf-face, even from my orchids and stuff. Ew, I haven't watered them, they look like they're dehydrated. Some baby toes. Schefflera arboreocola. I got this. Ooh, I got some glaucids in my hand. Shit. Yeah, glaucids are the fine hairs of a cactus. Wallachia. Pineapple. My ficus plant. Bam. There we go. Syndapsus pictus argyrii, or argyrius, can't remember. It gets neglected a lot. So it's not. Trying to do that one-handed. I make rope too sometimes. This is a Bulbergia nutans. This is the same thing that's hanging on that plant on my dating site. I didn't water it for quite a while, so it looks kind of raggedy. Another ficus. Peperomia. Oh, them damn things are eating my plant. Oh, look at this big old worm, dude. I don't want to do it, but you gotta go, son. It's not, I guess, you know what? I'll leave it because it's not a hornworm, so. Those are just one. We're good. Anyway, oh, no, there's 3 of them. Fuck. I have to do my research to find out if they are a species of caterpillar that I should save. If not, I'm killing them. This might be able to. I've had it for like a month and it's blown up all these. These assholes kill everyone you see. They're invasive. Why is my phone so blurry? Got this from a guy's yard at a job. It's my Hoya. And this is my Aschanthus radicans. I can't remember how they call it. Got me some lovely burgundy ficus. Epiphyllum. We got a bunch of shoots coming off. I had 5 come off of here about a week ago. I have lots of Euphorbia tricholes. This is a avocado I grew from seed. Another one. Some Cryptanthus. It's the only one I ever seen at Walmart. This is Ripsalis. Oh crap, I can't remember. Anyway, I got lots of. Oh, that cacti hurts. This is a pepper. Oh shit, Peperomia. Pepper. Shit, I'll remember later. That's a Zamia. That's a ZZ plant. 2, the regular kind. Centillansia. It's Tradescanthia Perpe, or not Perpe. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Zabrina. Sorry. I got some other Tradescanthia in there. That's a Hoya. Some stink plant. Schlumbergera. This is off a plant that was 30 years old. They were just little tiny pieces like this. I've been growing these. Well, I actually neglected them for quite a while. I've actually been paying attention to them for the last month. So they've gotten really huge. Got me a new pad coming on. That thing was, it's like double the size in 2 days. Jesus. It's Tradescanthia. Platycerium bifurcatum. Oh, did you see that little bat that flew by? I think it was a bat. I don't know. Oh, I got a new shield frond coming in there too. This is a fern from Australia. I left out in the sun, so I'm waiting for all these to die off and get some new growth up there. There's another one I left out. I'm missing more euphorbias here. See all these roots? See, here's damn, this one's damaged. It's alright though. It's got a new tip coming out. So these are all to remain outside the container. Anything that's going down in the container is fine to stay. But I just recently put these on over the last week, so I've been very neglectful of it. So, and usually I get a lot better growth when I'm neglectful. 12 minutes, Jesus. Gilbertia newtons, Schlumbergera. She's a little dehydrated. Some epiphyllum. Epiphyllums. Philodendrons. All this lovely air roots. Dracaena. It melted here because I got overwatered it, so the one that was sitting out here totally melted. This one grew out, which is bigger than everything else, and now this new one's growing out. These are actually Dracaenas now. They're no longer. Fuck, what did I say they were? I don't remember. Yeah, there's two different kinds. This is the other kind, and these are both the same here. Crassula golem. One of the dogs got into it, so this is the roots, but they're no longer viable. I'm growing new roots down here, as you can see. Just lay it all down. This one actually has roots sticking right there. See them? So this has got moss in it with rocks. Dieffenbachia. Y'all been thirsty for light lately, haven't you? This is all Hoya vine right here. Jesus, I gotta come in here and fix that problem. This is some palms that I got from a nursery for free. They died all the way off and then grew new leaves. It's Pepperoni Chinia. That's the Hoya. Crassula. Oh shit, I can't remember. I forgot. That's another Dieffenbachia. Crassula golem, or lime crassula, sorry. Usually has really bright red tips, but it's not sun stressed. These are both Portulaca, the Japanese version. I've had those for years. Tillandsias, I actually did an experiment to see if you could grow Tillandsias in soil. Check this out. See that nice root on there? Yeah. That's pretty badass, huh? They're all like that. This one's the same way. These all have roots, and this one's almost stuck in there. Now this one melted. It's dead. So, oh well. These are more predatory Mississippi native plants. This is Dracaena I got from a Mexican restaurant down the street. That's probably going to get rotted too. It is rotting. I think it might be dead. Oh well, not a big deal. That one's kicking ass. It's actually got new babies. Cool. These are some of my favorites though. Damn, they got a whole bunch of roots on them. Check that out. Sweet, dude. There's that piece of wood it's on. Pachera aquatica. There's some euphorbias. philodendrons. My favorite ficus. Oh, girl. This is Euphorbia trigona. See those? More jades. Crassula golems, or moscosa, Crassula moscosa. That is a begonia. It should be growing upwards instead of laying down. Check out this beast right here. So okay, it needs to be growing upwards. There's some more of my lovely baby. This is a big moss pull I did. It's about, it's up to my chest. That whole is in there too. Another euphorbia. Oh, Jesus. That big old thorn in my finger. That's a Spathoglottis plicata. It is a terrestrial orchid. That's about 6.5 foot. Spathophyllum. Peace lily. There's some bromeliads in there. Got me a Haya carnosa compacta right there. Did I really say just right there? Right there. There's a piece of wood that I found that with plants from the wild on it, some of them. Grab his foot. It's I prefer shit. Asplenium-nitus, there you go, a piece of wood. My Nepenthes, check that out. Man, look how cute that little shit is. There's a bigger one. There's a couple more on there. It's all this orchids. Dendrobium orchids. See, look, that's babies coming off right there. This is one new baby. Off there. We got another one here. This is my Phalaenopsis. I got a dendrobium, different kind of dendrobium on this side. It's my dendron. Tore off a lot of the big leaves because they are yellow and ugly. I got to build a moss pole for it. It's more lovely ficus burgundies. It's hot as fuck. Euphorbia tricali. That's it.